A woman is closer to being naked when she is well dressed. Elegance is refusal. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. I only drink champagnes on two occasions, when I am in love and I am in not. Fashion changes, but style endures. There are people who have money and people who are rich. Fashion has a two purpose, comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. The most gorgeous act is still to think for yourself aloud. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. You live but once, you might as well as amusing. Dress shabbily and remember the dress impeccable and remember the woman. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what a elegance. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. A woman can be overdressed but never over elegant. Dress like you are going to meet your worst enemy today. Nature gives you the face you have at 20. Life shapes the face you have at 30. But at 50 you get the face you deserved. A woman with good sauce is never ugly. I don't care what you think of me. I don't think of you at all. My life did not please me, so I created my life. If you are sad, add more lipstick and attack. A woman who does not wear perfume has no future. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. Don't spend time beating as a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous.